The Turkish Navy has achieved a significant milestone with the successful live-fire testing of the domestically developed Hisar-D RF surface-to-air missile. The missile was launched from the National MIDLAS vertical launch system installed on the TCG Istanbul frigate during exercises in the Black Sea near Sinop. This trial marks a pivotal step in Turkey's pursuit of a fully sovereign naval air defense capability. According to Aselsan, the test culminated in the successful interception of an unmanned aerial vehicle under realistic combat conditions, demonstrating the missile system's operational maturity and precision. The achievement underscores Ankara's ability to integrate missile, radar, fire control, and guidance systems into a fully functional defense network without reliance on foreign suppliers. The Hisar-D RF program is a testament to the collaborative capabilities of Turkey's defense industry. Roketsan is responsible for the missile's design, Aselsan supplied the radar and control systems, Havelsan contributed its advanced combat management software, and STM provided system integration expertise. By bringing together these specialized capabilities, Turkey has developed a fully indigenous vertical launch and interception chain. This achievement provides the Turkish Navy with a domestically controlled air defense solution, ensuring operational autonomy and resilience against potential restrictions on foreign technology. At the core of the test was the Hisar-D RF itself, a medium-range, medium-altitude air defense missile optimized for naval deployment. It is capable of engaging a wide array of threats, including fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, cruise missiles, and precision-guided munitions. The missile is equipped with an active radar seeker, enhancing its ability to detect and intercept high-speed and maneuvering targets. The MIDLAS vertical launch system, which houses the missile, features a quad-pack configuration where each cell can carry up to 4 interceptors, providing dense defensive coverage for surface combatants. The missile system's engagement cycle relies on the seamless integration of multiple subsystems. The Hisar-D fire control system serves as the command hub, coordinating target assignment and intercept management. The CNK-4D search radar, a multifunction AESA radar, provides wide-area surveillance with resilience against electronic countermeasures, while the ACREP fire control radar delivers high-resolution tracking and engagement support for the missile. In the terminal phase, the AGRAS seeker head guides the interceptor using indigenous active radar technology. Simultaneously, the GD missile data link system maintains real-time communication between the missile and the shipboard systems, allowing dynamic target updates and corrections throughout flight. The development timeline of the Hisar-D RF demonstrates a deliberate and strategic progression. Land-based trials began in 2022, followed by the first shipborne launch from TCG Istanbul in March 2024. The August 2025 test represents the first successful interception of a live aerial target, confirming the system's operational capability. This program gained additional urgency after the United States imposed restrictions on the export of the Mk-41 vertical launch system, prompting Turkey to accelerate the development of MIDLAS for its Istif-class frigates. The Hisar-D RF is not only a technical achievement but also a strategic asset. Compared with foreign alternatives such as the U.S. Evolved Sea Sparrow missile, ESSM, the Hisar-D RF offers Turkey full domestic control over its deployment and use. Its quad-pack configuration mirrors the ESSM design but functions entirely within a national architecture, avoiding external export restrictions. Strategically, the system brings the Turkish Navy closer to the capabilities of advanced NATO fleets, much like the Aster program enhanced the French and Italian navies' independence in the early 2000s. In addition to technical and strategic benefits, the successful test carries geopolitical weight. Demonstrating the ability to destroy aerial threats using a fully indigenous missile strengthens Turkey's deterrence posture in the Black Sea and the Eastern Mediterranean, areas of heightened strategic tension. The integration of Hisar-D RF with MIDLAS also paves the way for the deployment of more advanced systems, including the long-range Cyper Block I/2 air defense system and the Atmaka anti-ship missile. These capabilities will enhance Turkey's ability to project naval power and defend critical maritime interests. Financial and industrial considerations also reinforce the importance of the Hisar-D RF program. While detailed budget figures remain undisclosed, the missile and MIDLAS system are central components of Turkey's naval modernization program under the Presidency of Defense Industries, SSB. Contracts have been awarded to Roketsan, Aselsan, STM, and Havelsan for integration across Istif-class frigates and the future TF-2000 air defense destroyers. The TCG Istanbul, constructed at the Istanbul Shipyard Command, is the first vessel to deploy the system, with further ships expected to be equipped in the near future. The August 2025 test highlights more than just missile performance, it validates an entire naval air defense ecosystem. By successfully linking domestic missile design, radar and control technologies, combat management software, and integration expertise, Turkey has demonstrated that a fully indigenous vertical launch and interception chain is operationally viable. This capability not only addresses immediate defense needs but also establishes a foundation for future long-range air defense and precision strike systems. Turkey's development of the Hisar-D RF reflects a broader strategy of defense self-reliance and technological autonomy. The program consolidates expertise across multiple sectors of the Turkish defense industry, fostering innovation and strengthening domestic production. By controlling the complete kill chain, from missile guidance to radar tracking and combat management, Turkey reduces its dependency on foreign suppliers, enhancing both security and strategic flexibility. Furthermore, the Hisar-D RF program sets a precedent for the integration of next-generation naval weapons. As Turkey continues to expand its fleet with Istif-class frigates and the advanced TF-2000 destroyers, the lessons learned from Hisar-D RF testing will inform the deployment of long-range air defense systems and anti-ship capabilities. The result is a versatile, layered defense network capable of responding to diverse aerial and missile threats, positioning Turkey as a growing naval power in its regional waters. In conclusion, the live-fire success of the Hisar-D RF missile on TCG Istanbul represents a major technological and strategic milestone for Turkey. By proving the viability of a fully indigenous naval air defense system, Ankara has strengthened its deterrence capabilities in critical maritime zones while demonstrating the potential of its domestic defense industry. The integration of missile, radar, fire control, and combat management systems into a single, cohesive architecture ensures both operational readiness and long-term technological independence. As Turkey continues to expand and modernize its naval fleet, the Hisar-D RF and MIDLAS systems will serve as cornerstones of a robust, self-reliant maritime defense strategy, solidifying Turkey's status as a rising regional naval power.